Physical access to service improves, issues of quality have become more central. Some sectoral applications like education, India has made huge progress in getting more children into primary school, learning outcomes because education भी एक services है, ठीक है, in service sector, learning outcomes have yet to make more headway. Second point, health. Population growth has fallen below 2% per year due to decline. There has been little improvement in material mortality rates. Rates remain high that they are strongly related to child while little progress has been made. क्योंकि हेल्थ भी एक सर्विसेज है, ठीक है, हॉस्पिटल में जो भी आपको सर्विसेज प्रोवाइड की जाती हैं तो उसमें भी क्या है कि पहले से काफी ग्रोथ किया है इंडिया ने. Infrastructure, power network, roads, transportation system, ports are facing huge demands from India rapidly growing economy. ठीक है, जितने भी ये ब्रिजेस हैं, रोड्स हैं, रेलवे लाइंस हैं, ये एक तरह की आपको सर्विस प्रोवाइडेड है. पावर नेटवर्क्स, which has the potential to observe India's fast growing working population. ठीक है, अगर रोड्स प्रॉपरली होंगी तो उसमें आपका बहुत टाइम सेव होगा. ठीक है, रेलवेज ऑन टाइम होंगी तो ये भी आपको एक बेटर सर्विस प्रोवाइडेड है. मेकिंग ग्रो मोर इंक्लूसिव. Although continue relatively low global standards, disparities between urban and rural areas, prosperous, skilled and low-skilled workers are growing. Inequality can have huge social cost. Evidence of social unrest in some disadvantaged region is growing. कौन-कौन से reasons हैं जिसमें grow up हुआ है agriculture? Slow agriculture growth is a concern for policy makers as some 2/3 of India's people depend rural employment for a living. क्योंकि जितनी भी रूरल एरियाज हैं वो